the fourth most popular mod is floorboard extensions.
Oh, yeah.
And the floorboard extensions, just get your feet out an inch away from the exhaust. They give you more room to move around. Your boot doesn't end up resting up against the muffler and burning some of the rubber off of the sole of your boot onto your exhaust. It's a super comfortable option, getting more room for your feet and getting your legs and feet a little bit further away from the engine so you don't feel as much as the radiated heat.
Right. Now, because, the Harley Trikes, there's a few different models. There's the Tri-Glide, there's the Freewheeler, there's the RG3. But by leaps and bounds, the most popular is that Tri-Glide. And they have lowers that are not removable. That traps a lot of heat. So if you can't, there's ways you can get rid of some of that heat, but you're never going to get rid of it entirely. So the best thing you can do is get your legs away from it so it's not an issue. And then we'll move on to number 5, and that's the Tour-Pak Relocation Kit. And, if your passenger's not happy, you're not going to be happy. You're going to hear about it the entire way to wherever you're going. So why not move that Tour-Pak back 1, 2, or 3 inches? If the passenger's going to complain, at least get them away from you a little so you don't have to hear it. But Tour-Pak relocations, I'm surprised that's not number 1 on the list, because every one of our customers that has a trike that's equipped with a Tour-Pak, to my knowledge, has one. I mean, they're just great. They do exactly what they do. They relocate that Tour-Pak.
Yeah.